And okay, you didn't come craft about our brother, John Kuma. And memories kakra of him founding once. As he goes home. Bibi kakra be commenting a fee and share the substantive issues.
Yo, me that's it. In fact, so in Chamun no pay. Chamafayam opposition in bed.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, we shall know I come.
Opposition bed. I see.
Economy of God.
Economy of God. Economy of the economy and the kufu don't know why never your friend say Dr. Free. I mean chair here for near tier 4. When come in press so sister kwama be possible. In chair my dish na. It's orient temper. Cause me bank remember na mom kra mu mie. And me chair me hotel home and ba me ho so na.
That is a faso.
As I could be. John, I think somewhere 2021. Or you'll be in your opportunity, Mkoni Fee.
Oh, okay.
1-on-1, and then a quatrain and Komobi. A free honor, you share a couple of times. The last one, KNUST Youth Conference of Tescon. I'm say free honor meaning in share directly. Dear T. And I'll pay instead of Odampem.
Yeah, Odampem.
In fact, when so now again, me Emma ne papa, ne mame, ne yere, unianom, and then a busiana yako na me extending to the New Patriotic Party. And then all politicians in Ghana. If you say, a dream maybe a 100 years cry when you're ding. So we did 45 years now. When you're ding, because you say, not just a dom, no, Tridiampo, a domino. John, them referred you near money, na the Canadian, your witchery. Say, yes, so you're connoissing. You're not in as I say it to what. Na reflect it so that if we ask na namano ya die na itia baby ya na yetitia ni me that's it.
Office of the Special Prosecutor.
Office of the Special Prosecutor. Chama fire am gentle and opay as one head and gentle sir. Office of the Special Prosecutor. Martinamidu. Might hear the views of two prominent lawyers, Samson Ladi and Yenene, and then also the view of Martin Pebu. And it seems to me that I'm persuaded by their views. So, Ira Martin Amidu, cry the Nico free no honor cry no. Ama and common cry and a kind of cry and so IABB. Yes, he's a citizen of Ghana.
Yeah.
But you went there and failed. Not just failed and failed miserably. And this young man is in the seat. So in a lot of instances he has been very, very bold.
Very, very. Very,
that's what you.
And people least expected him his position.
Yeah.
So coming from where he is.
Yeah. And his connections and all of that, you know. Yes, yeah, chua no acho. Yes, sir. Our friend is saying Kwabena Frimpong.
Yeah.
Professor Kwabena Frimpong. And Cecilia Abrandapa. So and you know, and let's not forget, say office be a year for frono. Office be a year for frono. A man for being now ho in president of cases. The same being CM who quite fast or more handle because the office of the special prosecutor and they are still developing the office.
Oh yeah.
So they are still developing the office. So and you know, eco free Martin. I do ho buy no dear and the creating yami enemy. Said na and ke free baby yeah and come on for be man no premium more than baby eco free buy. But that notwithstanding, ni issues and the same violation of citizens' rights through arrests end detentions. And the reason back on no.
Yeah.
The
breach of
no now almost society of friends the Professor Frimpong Boateng and Cecilia Abnadapa. Violation of rights to information, improper appointment of personnel to the office. I think why appointment ben or appointee be any panonia qualified and answer there. And all of this. And I think if you look at the views of these two layers that I've mentioned, if you say Kyei-Brobbey, if there is anything like survivor, he would definitely survive. That's my opinion. But I'll leave it to the legal brains to do that. Remember, radio, TV, so now there are issues. Expertise. I try not to speak emphatically. Say that is what it is. So.
You leave it to the.
I'll leave it to them. Yura Martinamidu and a right to write the petition. President also received the petition by passing on to Chief Justice. Chief Justice Akoma Yura Kyei-Brobbey said on respond to the petition. Or no respond then what happens? The show continues. And let us not draw hasty conclusions.
Okay.
But in making his submission, or throw punches, those punches were not palatable. Trying to accuse this government and the government of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as corrupt, where if you look at his party in government, 8 years first term under Jerry John Rawlings, another 8 years under Professor Mills and John Dramani Mahama, there were a lot of corruption cases. Any pleasant. As a matter of fact, I can prove to him, say they were not just allegations of corruption, malfeasance, causing financial loss to the state, but indeed, there has been decided cases by Ghanaian High Court, Court of Competent Jurisdiction.
Yeah.
The most recent, Abranti influence a bear corner, our bar or friend is saying, Bosts.
Yeah.
Say AXA Energy, contractor, omo winning or my gun, U.S. court, Abuano for say. Sika, I think about 3.6 or 3.5 million check figure the money dollars. And Ojia Obechiche Emma Abamum Penning 4B Emma Omutimi Axa Etiminya sa contract at the bar of my Ghana. Echamafayam Unyang Remunya Bini Tudiana. Yes, I'm in Pesame Punch you be so you're too nice. So I am Madame for Saka. And me can't case I had decided. I mean, she, mommy or friend say, said in Tamaklo, Maslock, 70 million Ghana cedis, Abublushi market, Koche mama, no barback or the abona bosum. Oh, Chama, it's going to be one year bieni, enti yana yemiya. So, Sika 500,000 Ghana cedis, microfinance. Ewe dra na de bre omo see interest na wo so no esododo omo hia sika no omo tro check nom de abre awraba so no said na tamaklo wo se there bi omo vangu Ghana must go bag him no mo famra ana omo de ko share na filling station so komo anyi paper che say omo de scanner man back anyi ne signature amfa nko back to adjura amfa nko to omo file so din nkasem no pie no ankasa microfinance comes in come hoche no. Okay, look, she say under Yera John Dramani Mahama, venture capital. Any pamiansa Maslock, Papa Bako, a friend Azim, or Kahon. Nti Sadnam Tamaklo komu 10 years, so non see a jail for 5 years. Venture capital, Daniel Duku, ne assistant, Irene, anti-Mensa, kunu Frank Abwaje Mensa. Is over 17 million Ghana cedis. Sky mutam free venture capital under Yera John Dramani Mahama. So if we go to our friend is saying National Communications Authority, who are they? Yera Bafoboni, who was then the board chairman. Then William Matthew Tetetevi, the MD, and then Alhaji Osman Abubakar Mamino, National Security Coordinator. Yeah. How much money was involved? $4 million, dollars. That's what pains me. Well, and I'm talking about decided cases, and there are 2 more that are also pending. Yera Atoforcing, and then our friend is saying Yera Opuni, all under Yera John Dramani Mahama. And even if you want to set it further to first term on semina Mikain under Yera Jerry John Rawlings na asa buying free so any penny Kwame Pipra Okomu lost causing financial loss to the state, who was the finance minister. The deputy finance minister Victor Salome, luckily Michene Baba Adie Ewo Gimpa. Ono Suzuko Kodemo, Yera Dana Bodapi, Victor Salome was deputy finance minister. Yera Dana Bodapi, I think he was the responsible for trade and industry. Ono Suzuko Kodemo, Yera Sipayanki. So the list can go on. And I'm talking about, my reframing myself from talking about what friend is saying, alleged corruption. Abu Gapele, the trial began your time. The sentencing happened under the Nado Danko Ekofuado. Nikes is saying, Okobiania, Enuana Okudian, Udiania, no Chenuegu, 5 million Yanes and Kudia. At the end of the day, Ukubianian 700,000, when me and 1 million cry. 33 million Ghana cedis was involved in that. Mobile payment interoperability contract Janam was saying, $1.2 billion. Septon Switch, and a British company, and a Shechri. One on a Chihuan Nesho, Roland Agambiri, the darling boy of Yera John Dramani Mahama, was behind the Septon Switch. Contract an NPP buyer who chairmo would deliver the same mobile payment interoperability, for 4.5 million, dollars. A function come Septon Switch and Tiasia or the international arbitration at London and lost the case there. What do you say? I mean, Bars branding, it was 3.6 million Ghana cedis. And then what happened? You had the call Jubilee House, and yes, it's kind of dorsal, and you caught it about $1.9 million. Nipana, were you involved? No, the way I say, the boss, they lose you in a job. So, Chamafayam, Yana me person minimum share. The matter of corruption, the issue about President Akufo-Addo selectivity in terms of say obedi petitioner banner or they call no one fan code. If he say every citizen has got every right to question the president, maybe and yemina maybe na defending no namaka say in this case he was right to send it to Chief Justice. In the other case, he was not right to send it to justice. If president is not above criticism, and if you have evidence to criticize him, I don't think that it should be a problem for me. That's
it. Doctor, Mamina will take on this now. You zoom into other process.
Many Kofi,